what this is. 383. Oh, that's a Charger.
Making hits with Lakeith, good grief.
YouTube, I'm out here with Ike or whatever, you know. I done pulled up on Ike. He down here picking up his cousin Black Wheel. Some roaches, he got them painted. And they got some stuff out here, some whips. Got some land out here too. I'm gonna let y'all check it out and see what's going on. Oh, they got some whips out here, bro. You see that old Bronco? That old Vet. That Vet thing. Got some whips out here though. See if I can get a little tour. I'm about to walk in the shop. See what it is. Got the Mustang on the rotisserie. Oh yeah, clean. Disc brake. Oh yeah, they doing their thing. Mustang GT. Look like they shorten the rear end a little bit. Look like about a 72 C10. No off-road thing. Oh, they got that work done here.
So one of them, I think it's the bottom box, is actually missing the motor.
Okay. I get it.
I'm sure they'll give you a mold.
Yeah,
Whatever.
Yeah, we'll get one. I know Spank probably got one over there at the shop. But I guess we can go ahead and load them up.
Oh yeah.
What you think?
Oh yeah, flap it back open.
What you think?
Oh yeah, nice.
Compared to now they look like a totally different rim dog.
Oh yeah, that's what I was just talking about, how you do them different patterns on there. You can have the same rim and swap the colors and make it look like a totally different wheel anyway.
Man, he gonna love this. Let me take a picture with my phone. Oh,
Those the caps?
Yeah, them the caps. I'm gonna do the all red on it. I'm gonna turn out good, guys. Gonna load these songs up, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute.
We about to, you know, Ike, he about to put us to work, so
man,
I'm gonna turn y'all back on. Yeah, YouTube, man, I got exclusive access, man. I'm just waiting on them to come and show me, give me little details of what's going on back here behind the scenes. You know, I've been visiting different shops. We out here in Mississippi. I'm not sure what part of Mississippi. What part of Mississippi this is? Van Cleve. Yeah, so I'm in the shop now. I'm about to get a few little answers on what they got going on and everything. Had y'all tuned in. So what all y'all done to this car right here?
I actually don't remember what year this is. I'm not good on the Corvettes, but it's the kind that the bumper bolts on. It's the rubber front bumper.
Right.
We got a fiberglass bumper for it and molded it in solid. Got rid of the line where it bolts on to make it look more like the older ones, like that one.
Oh, right.
Front and rear bumpers. And just finished painting it. That's all. We painted it and did the interior on it. Actually, it was brought to us. The guy was driving it around.
Oh, so what y'all specialize in? Like,
we actually do everything. This one here is a full restoration.
oh, so y'all took on the whole job, huh?
We painted it. We rebuilt the engine. We rebuilt the transmission. We're gonna rebuild the rear suspension. The front suspension is already rebuilt. we're wiring it, we're putting an interior in it. We'll be doing everything.
So
Complete
how
restoration.
long this car been here?
This car has been here, it's hard to tell. It's hard to remember for me.
So like a good restoration, like
I'd
if
say
y'all
around
do,
a year.
yeah, that's about the time it'll take to do a whole full restoration. Yeah.
Despite looks, this car is a lot closer than what
Oh
it
yeah.
seems.
Oh, I know, cause they could be.
Most of the work is done in that stage.
Right.
Like this car here.
What year Camaro that is?
69.
69.
This one's actually has a full frame. These had a subframe that bolted to the front of it. This one's a full frame that runs the whole length of the car. Aftermarket suspension, front and rear. We're actually putting a 6.2 LS and a 6-speed in it.
The 6-speed. Let me zoom in on that. 6-speed.
6-speed.
Yeah, see that's the setup I have for my Cutlass. I have a 6.2 fully built with a 6L80.
That's what that one is. 6L80.
Yeah, I'm running the 6L80.
And then we rebuilt the firewall to get that engine and transmission. And then we had to build the tunnel bigger for the transmission, and we wanted to build the firewall.
Yeah, it's good to build. You can get away around it. You just got to position your motor in a different spot. So it's either or. You can do it. And then I see the cross member. And so how long you think it take to build this car though?
This car,
From this stage right here. Just an estimate. It ain't got to be exact.
probably looking at another 4 to 5 months.
Oh yeah. Man, y'all move pretty quick, man.
We're pushing this car through pretty quick. Some cars move slower than others depending on what we're doing to them.
Yeah, you tell this guy routine is a couple days after he picked it up.
Yeah.
And what year this Mustang? See, I'm not good at Mustangs. Like they kill me with years with Mustangs.
This one's a 67.
67. How could you tell it's a 67?
I know it's a 67, 68 because I've been looking at it enough the whole time.
Yeah.
But a 68 has different vents right here.
All right. And that's what's up, man.
And the 67, 68, the easy way to tell is that these body lines are real sharp and poke way off.
Oh, all right.
Those 2 years.
I like to get the knowledge to know, like, be able to spot cars because, like me, I specialize as far as in Cutlass. So the same way you know about the body lines and stuff, like far as with a Cutlass, I could tell you what year is just looking for a body line.
Remember, that's a 78 Corvette.
78 Corvette. And what this is right here?
1955 Thunderbird.
Thunderbird, boy.
This is whenever Ford was trying to compete with the Corvette.
All right.
Before they made them big four-door cars.
Boy, that blue on there. Y'all did the paint?
We did the paint on that one.
Man, I never was a fan of that baby blue, but you might turn me into a baby blue guy, man. Man, that baby blue slick,
I'm
man.
personally not a fan of it either, but on this car it looks good.
That's what I was just saying. Like the whole setup is like beautiful, man.
Painting, like for example, those Corvette, that Camaro or the Mustang, that color, I wouldn't like it.
Yeah, you're right.
Looks fine on this car.
ones.
Yes. And that one's a 72 or 73.
Yeah. Yeah, when I get a chance, I'm gonna go out there and walk around the yard too, man. You don't mind me checking out anything outside, man? Yeah, you too, man. They got cars everywhere out there, man. I gotta get them to the camera, man. I'm about to step out here and give you a good walk around, see what's going on. Nice spot ducked off. You know, I like seeing shops with cars in these stages, the bills and whatever, man. But I'm just gonna give you a little tour of the little yard, what's going on, man. Mustang. You see the Mustang? Old Ford truck. Step side. Guess I'll go down here first, man. Just give y'all a little tour, man, to keep y'all entertained, man. For the car lovers, man, you're a real car lover. It don't have to be nothing nice every time, man. You just like see stuff in this rare form. Just give you a little footage of what they got going on. Look like a little galaxy back there, man. Y'all drop in the comment section and say, man, name some of these cars. I might be wrong with some of these cars, but name them, man. I think this a Galaxy back here. This a Chevy pickup right here, but creep up on it. Think this a Galaxy. I'm not sure, man. Like I say, jump in the comment section. Let me know what the name of this car, if you know. Some people specialize in other cars. You know, I'm a Cutlass fanatic, so when it comes to anything else, I'm not really sure. Just give me y'all a tour of the whole little shop. That look like about a 72. That look about like a 72. I'm not sure what this is. Hard to tell sometimes when they broke down like this. Look like a style of Camaro. Camaro style. Old Bronco. This a Bronco 2. I know that. But the Bronco 1 is bigger in size. Mustang. Yeah, they got some hidden treasure here, man. Another Mustang, fastback, I think. Keeping y'all posted, man. What y'all see? They love the Mustangs, man. Arrow coupe. Glad. I'm not sure if this swag or not. Chevelle. Old Chevelle coming together. Vet thing with them Kragers on there. They got a Bronco XLT. Mustang. Boy, they love the Mustang. 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 What is this? This look like a Barracuda. I'm not sure, man. Y'all jump in the comment section, man. You got the demon little sign on it. It gotta be a Mopar, but I'm not sure if. I'm not sure, man. Y'all, like I say, jump in the comment section. Let me know what some of these cars is, man. I'm not familiar with. I know it's Mopar though. Mopar. And we got the Mustang here. I tell you, this is Mustang capital up here, boy. I know where to come when I need a Mustang. Trans Am thing, boy. I'm gonna go over here. Oh yeah, old Lincoln thing. Ford, Mustang. They got them, boy. 72 step side. See what some of this is, man. This look like something different here. I don't know what this is. 383. Oh, that's a Charger. Man. Every time I see something like that, I'll be in hog heaven, man. 383. 4 barrel. And you know it got that 4-barrel. Back in them days, 4-barrel carburetor must have been something. Got a 4-barrel. And that old El Camino, that look like that SS. The Chevelle. Man, they getting to it, boy. I'm just bringing y'all the footage, man. Like I say, the channel going a whole different lane, man. Trying to bring a lot to y'all. Something different. Me and Ike was just saying what this was. I don't even know what this is. Volkswagen. Something different, man. It's a Volkswagen. Plymouth. This a Dodge too. I'm not sure what this is, man. Like I say, jump in the comment section, man. Let me know. I don't know it all. That must say ain't no Hemi. Get that a little close. Ain't no Hemi. I don't know what it is, man. Y'all gotta let me know. Ford, my grandma had a Ford truck like this. They love them Fords here, man. Yeah, give y'all a little look before they mount up. Before we put the tires on. Give y'all a little look at it. Came out pretty good. Shit, yeah. About to get the thing mounted up. On crusher too. Let y'all see the cars on, man. What's the cars going on? Charter.
I want my kids to ride goddamn plane too. So this gonna be mounted up.
Yeah, we ain't got them things on there now, man. Finished product. Yeah, that thing clean, man. Yeah, y'all know what it is, though, man. For everybody who tuning in, man, subscribe, like, share, comment, man. Colors for us, and we out.
Making hits with Lakeith, good grief.